Alright boys, another day. Today is Wednesday. It's not that cold, a little bit sunny. So are you guys ready for another install day? This time we're doing the side skirt. That's a carbon fiber side skirt, as you can see. This is a direct replacement. It's not a layover, direct replacement. So let's start to remove the old one and put this new one. Alright, and then we'll go back for the progress on what we're going to do today. Pretty much this is easy install, easy replacement, because all you have there in the bottom is all clips and some couple of bolts in there in the bottom, but that's about it. Alright, later. Alright, just remove the old one. It comes with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 screws right there, small screws. And when you remove that 11 screws, there is 1 2 3 4 5, about 6 7 8 9 10, about 10 clips that you need to remove, right? So this direct replacement, as you can see, I just need to put a screw in it and call it a day. Cool. And look at that, she is done. Quick install for the side skirt. Yep. So the difference between the stock one and that one, you see that one have a flare, a little bit aggressive. And now we're gonna do the other side. Cool. Quick and easy install. Alright, so this is the passenger side. Just finished, and that thing is perfectly fit, perfectly replacement. Just a little flare in there, clean look. Alright, I'm gonna have carbon fiber this. I'm gonna carbon fiber this and this. That's carbon fiber in there. I'm waiting for my carbon fiber for the rear bumper splitter. And yep, she's done. I finished that part in there. I'm gonna have my rear diffuser. I'm gonna get that. So yeah, that's it, man. Let's finish. And one more thing, just a little add-on. That thing is clean. Got my red carpet or floor mats, the back too. And let's see the front. Oh, see that one in there? Carbon fiber in there, it's clean. Yeah, and that one too. Can't wait to all my dash red color in there. So yep, it's finished. Alright, so again, I finished the side skirt. It's an easy install. About to post this video on YouTube, and give me a subscribe, follow and like, share the video so that all the other GTR owners will know how to replace side skirts. Alright, peace out boys.